We're at Caffeine and Octane. James is here.
Hey, what's up, guys?
We got this nice Corvette Grand Sport here. Oh, sorry, sir. GT3 and a couple of 458s. We get the Special and the Spider. Beauty. We have the McLaren Orlando tent, and it looks like we have a McLaren 620R. Look at this beast. Huge wing. Big exhaust outlets, too.
It's kind of weird. It's not
Yeah, it looks like a roller coaster
thin.
seat. Yeah.
It's very thin.
It's carbon fiber. Everything. Look at this. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber everywhere.
I like the orange with the black and the white.
Yeah. This is a beauty. Beautiful V12 Ferrari. This is the 550. Look at that. Red interior. Silver exterior. Pretty neat spec, I'd say. The Superleggera again. Carbon fiber everywhere. The exhaust looking real nice. Although I like it when they have just the twin exhaust more up. Yeah, that's the V10. Sick car. This is the track version of the Gallardo. Beautiful. Got the 69 Pontiac, the Judge. Although too bad it doesn't have the hood tack, but...
Oh, we saw this in Jalen's garage.
Yeah, he had a 71. 1970.
This is 79?
No, 69. That's not... Oh, look. I think there's something in there. That's a beautiful muscle car. We got a row of high-performance muscle cars. This is the Z01 1LE. Beautiful. Yeah, I think... Yeah, Z01 1LE. Sick. Or maybe this is just a Z01 with the aero package, but I don't really care. It's beautiful. It's got the manual transmission, of course, like how real men do it. Beautiful. And we got a GT500 done here, I think, too, so... Oh, this is a GT350. My bad. Hey, but that's cooler. I like GT350s more. Look at that. Mean machine. And the flat plane crank V8. Sings, man. Sings. Yellow Mercy. I've seen that one before. I was in there. He's going to pull in right here, by the way. Ferrari 328 looking nice. I love the wheels. And the tan interior, which is a good choice. Always works. This is a 328 GTS. It looks real good. If you look here, we got a 458 Italia. The tri-exhaust on the regular 458. Dual exhaust on the Speciale. So, hey, it looks good to me either way. Which one do you prefer? 3 exhaust tips? Or 2? Yeah, because the F40 had 3 exhausts, and that's like the coolest car ever, so. We got an Audi R8 V10. That orange pops so much. Yeah, that, when they facelifted it, that was the best. Now the newer ones have soft limiters and all that crap. This is McLaren 720S Spider.
720S?
I haven't seen this one with the yellow brakes and the blue paint. Oh, it's got an exhaust. It's got a tuned exhaust. Or not tuned, different exhaust. We got a California. The more sensible Ferrari, if there's such a thing. Pininfarina. Pretty nice looking car though. I don't know about those exhausts, but everything else is pretty nice. Look at this Viper ACR. This is insane, man. Check out the engine here. It is huge. Holy smokes. Monster V10. Holy smokes.
Dodge Viper?
Yeah, ACR, which is like the ZR1 of Vipers. This old NSX and this Gallardo race car here. GT3.
501 Series 2.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
that is awesome.
And
Porsche 914, it's like a race car. Brimo's Racing 59. It's pretty sick, huh? We got a Lamborghini Hurricane. This is rear-wheel drive. V10 blackout. The yellow brakes though are really nice.
How small these Lamborghinis are in real life?
Small? Well,
yeah, they're kind of small.
but if you look at the
They're very
Murcielago,
short, and they're kind of small too.
well, the V10 ones are, but that yellow one is huge. Trust me. Stand next to it. It's big. The new 992 GT3. Beautiful. Look at the front. Oh, look at this drive going.
I don't even drive this guy in, my buddy.
It's pretty sick. I like it. Murcielago Roadster. Blackout. Look at this F8 Spider here. Beautiful. Terrific modern Ferrari design. He's got the black badge too. That's sick. And from the rear end, it looks really good. New F8. Let's get a closer look here. Fiber. Looks really good. The black badges too.
Talk about a throwback.
Beautiful.
Absolutely. Automotive addicts.
Same mirrors as like a 458. Different handles. The back. Got another Mercy. And a Gallardo too with the red wheels. That is sweet. We got an SLR Mclaren. Look at this, black with the red interior. Look at this SLR Mclaren here. Beautiful. Obviously they have the butterfly doors. Known for it. And look at this. It's a beauty. And from the front, this is more of a Mercedes than it is a McLaren.
Oh, you're welcome.
But
Hey, welcome
this ain't no ordinary Mercedes either.
Look, I got a missed call.
Look at this.
Yeah, but it'd be $8,000 a ticket. Right.
Pretty sensible interior for a very insane car. Got an F12. Hold on. Dang, that's loud. He's right. Listen to him. He's got the. Alright, we're getting in 458 Special. Oh my goodness. Seats are kind of comfortable though. Dang. Audi Alcantara. Man, this is sick. Carbon fiber on the doors and everywhere. See, and you got the Ferrari embossed in there too. Is that 458? Let's go.